When you want a property condition assessment or a commercial building inspection, why is it so important to do that initial phone call with your inspector, with your assessor? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. We've done over 400 commercial inspections and 1,500 home inspections. We've been in thousands of individual apartments and spaces inside those commercial buildings. And the reason we have to scope out jobs at the very beginning is we want to make sure we get right what it is you want. We want to make sure that we're on the same page in case a client knows some of, but not all, of the products and services that we offer, some of, but maybe not all of what is included on a site visit and on an inspection report. So if we're going to come assess a property for you, we want to make sure we have a meeting of the minds and we're on the same page with you about exactly what you want. This is particularly important if there's any kind of government form you need filled out, banking form that needs to be filled out, any kind of standard that has to be followed. We want to make sure we're doing exactly what you need. This is why we call every client who comes to us to make sure we get the scope right for you. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.